how to create a Weebly online store. By the end, you'll have a clean, shoppable site ready to share with your customers, using just a few simple tools built right into Weebly. First, log into your Weebly account. If you're new, creating an account only takes a moment, and then you'll land on your dashboard. Open the site you want to sell from and enter the editor so you can make changes in real time and see exactly how your store will look. Next, enable store features by selecting Add Store or turning on e-commerce. You'll find this in the editor where store options live. When you enable it, Weebly adds the essential shopping components behind the scenes, like a product catalog and cart functionality. You may be asked to confirm basics such as your region or currency so prices display correctly. This step is essentially your on switch for selling. Now it's time to choose a store theme or template. Browse the available designs and preview them to see how your homepage, product grid, and product pages will appear on desktop and mobile. Pick a template that matches your brand's vibe. Clean if you sell minimal items, bold if you rely on striking photos. You can usually customize colors, fonts, and images right in the editor, so focus on a layout that makes your products shine. With your theme in place, add your products. Open the Products area and click to add a new item. Give each product a clear name, set a price, and upload high-quality images. Use well-lit photos on a neutral background and include multiple angles if possible. In the description, highlight benefits, materials, sizing, or what makes it unique. If your product has variations like size or color, add them as options with their own stock levels and prices if needed. Group products into categories to keep browsing simple, and be sure to save your changes as you go. Before going live, take a quick pass through your product settings. Check that prices are accurate, sale pricing is applied if you're running a promotion, and inventory tracking is turned on when relevant. For physical goods, adding weight and shipping details now will help checkout run smoothly. When you're happy with everything, click Publish. Preview your site, test the product pages, and make sure the cart icon appears and works as expected. Weebly will guide you through choosing a domain, whether you use a temporary address or connect your own custom name. After publishing, do a quick test order to confirm the flow looks great from a shopper's perspective. That's all it takes. Log in, enable store features, choose a template, add your products, and publish. Keep refining your images, descriptions, and categories